Today I'm going to teach you the basic chords of the ukulele. Grab your ukulele now and learn with me. Well, 3 things I need to tell you before I continue. The tuning of the ukulele goes G, C, E, and A. Again, G, C, E, and A. So you'll see here in the ukulele, we have here the nut. And then from here, we count the 1st fret, 2nd fret, and so on and so forth. Also, you'll see in the chords chart the dots, and it tells you where to put your finger. Alright, so let's break down our chords now. Zoom in. This is C, A minor. From A minor, you just need to put your number 1 finger or point finger right here. And G goes like this, G. Keep practicing. That's all for tonight. Thank you.